Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Debbie Cakes, the creator behind many beloved brands. But today, I'm here with something truly close to my heart, showing you how to drink your way to better health with simple herbs and spices you probably already have at home. Back in 2019, during the COVID pandemic, I got a wake up call. I was no longer just pre diabetic, I was on track to needing medication if I didn't make a serious change. That moment took me back to my grandmother's kitchen, where she'd brew her earthy sage tea to help manage her diabetes. Now, let's be honest, her tea looked like dirt, smelled like dirt, and probably tasted like dirt too. But there was wisdom in that cup. Sage, like so many herbs and spices, is powerful when used the right way without sugar or additives that cancel out the goodness nature provides. Over the past 5 years, I've created more than 35 unique tea blends, and through my website, Viotea.com, I share them with the world. But today, I want to share them with you, right here. I'll show you how to make my delicious blends at home using herbs and spices you already have in your cabinet so you can enjoy all the flavor and all the health benefits for yourself. So stay tuned. In this series, I'll reveal the inspiration behind each blend and guide you step by step through turning simple water into a soothing, healing, delicious experience. Let's sip our way to better health together. Like, share, and leave comments sharing your thoughts about your health journey.